G'day and welcome to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode we are going to be talking about the different types of brake and clutch pedal rubbers. Now as you can see, these are red. They do come in several different colours listed below, and they're only a couple of dollars in order to replace them. Now they do come in different shapes and sizes from memory, so it is worthwhile getting the right ones to suit the vehicle. Now as you can see, mine are red, obviously to suit the redness of Grace behind me. Now this is an important part of any safety inspection. Here in New South Wales, if these are worn or deteriorated or there is any metal showing, it is a rego failure. Not only is it a failure, but it is also very dangerous to not have these fitted to your car. You jump in your car when it's been raining, you put your foot in the clutch, you go to take off, and then the foot slips off the clutch, you bunny hop it, you crash into a car, you're going to cause irreversible damage and then have to go and spend a couple of months in the panel shop fixing your car. But for what it's worth, get yourself a pair, make sure your clutch and brake pedals are fitted with these. If it's an automatic, then you obviously only need one, but if it's a manual, make sure you get two. Check out the full range that they have at minisport.com.au along with the other colours that they have, and we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.